Hold on. Today we're gonna actually bring a lamp, and it's just not any ordinary lamp. There's actually a 2 USB charging station, a knob to control the actual illumination of the actual lamp, a nice little cable, 40 watts to be exact. You could actually maximize it. So this is a thing that we're going to set up today, and it comes with its own glass, but prior to that you got to remove the top of it, right? We're going to remove the top a little bit. Removing the top is just unscrewing this. Once you got that in there, you got to pretty much marry these two. You got to wind these things up, marry it completely, and then you're able to get the light bulb. And they give you everything including the light bulbs in here. So we're setting that up. Beautiful light bulb. You guys can see the LEDs in there. They're all lined up. There are 4 LED stripe lights, so we're going to put them in there with the glass. You get 2 of these lamps, not 1. You get a pair of 2. All right, so pretty awesome lamps. So beautiful. And you got your knob here. Got your control knob here to control the light. 2 USB connections to charge your phones, and a beautiful long neck, stylish. So let's go ahead and put it together. See how well it looks in an environment.
It still looks weird. Looks como que estás visco.
Let's go ahead and dim them down a little bit. Just a little bit. Look at that. Beautiful lighting. Like the lights a lot. So let's put them up higher so you guys can see them. But look how beautiful they look. Bring them super high. All the way high. We'll do the other one high too. Walk on this side. Beautiful lighting. Hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.